9:43, but I'm honestly just now starting my day. I just took a shower, just got dressed. I'm feeling good. There's a couple of things I want to do today. I want to run to the market. I have to get like 2 or 3 things. Oh, I want to clean my car out. It's so disgusting in there. I'll show you in a second, but I really need to get my car cleaned out. So let's go. I did not know that I could use my camera and Apple Maps at the same time. I love car. Huh? What? What? Are you hot, babe? We just arrived at Walmart and she can't hang. Like, should I? Dar, should I get her a stroller or should I just put her in the cart? Cause she'll wake up as soon as I open the door, but should I let her sleep? I think I'm gonna wake her up because the stroller is some more work. I'll just use her car seat cover. And in the state of Delaware, they don't have plastic bags anymore, so I have to bring my own bag, Christmas bag. I do have some cuter bags, but I don't know where they are, so that'll do for now. Zara. Ew, oh my god, these are brand new. Oh my god, can you see? These are Yeezys and I just stepped in somebody's disgusting gum. Look who woke up. Say hi, Zara. Can you see us?
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.
Oh my god, I stepped in the gum again. Say hey, Zara. Like 10 minutes ago, Zara is asleep. on my bed. She's taking her nap. So now I'm about to edit the little bit of footage that I do have from today, and then I'm gonna do some laundry. I have 2 big bags of laundry. It's clean. I just have to fold it. And then I'm going to clean my car, which I've been holding off on cleaning my car for so long because it's hot outside. I don't want to go outside, but I really need to get it done. Like, it's disgusting in there. I can't wait to show you. This is Jamie. She's a 2016 Chevy Cruze. She's really cute, but on the inside, she's literally disgusting. Like,
if I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team?
I got this food line bag, and this is gonna be my trash can. Let's get started. I literally don't even know where to start. Let me just put something in the bag.
You've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach.
So far, this is all the stuff that has to go on the house. And this, it doesn't look that bad anymore.
My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
It's been like 3 hours since I cleaned my car. I feel really good about it. But now I have to clean the kitchen. Then I'm gonna put Zara to bed. And then I'm going to do laundry. She just spit her apple juice on the floor. And after I do laundry, I'm done for the night. So let's get started. I guess I have to add mopping. Stop! Why are you doing that? Terrible tip.
How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it all away and say my love that was not the same? Yeah. How you gonna throw it away? Throw it away.
I just finished folding a load of laundry. I have one more load to fold, but I'm not gonna fold that on camera. And after that, I'm done for the night. I'm very tired. So thank you guys so much for watching this far. I'm so tired at this point, I don't even know what to say. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and good night or good morning or whenever you're watching this. See you later.
How to explain? How you gonna grow it all back and say